If you like eggs, then this spicy egg curry will soon become one of your favorites because it is not only super delicious but quick and easy to make. Hey everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. For making egg masala curry, we require eggs. Okay, now this is how my ma taught me to marinate the eggs before cooking. With a knife, give a few slits on the surface of the egg so that all the goodness seeps into the interior of the egg. Sprinkle of turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt and about a teaspoon of oil. Rub everything very well all over the eggs and allow it to sit for about 15 minutes or more. While all the magic of marination is happening, let's prep the yogurt. Here is 4 tablespoons of plain unflavored yogurt. In it, I added Kashmiri red chili powder. You can also use regular chili powder. Then turmeric powder, ground coriander, ground cumin, and finally 4 tablespoons of water. Mix very well to get a smooth consistency. Pan on medium-high heat with 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil turns hot, add the eggs one by one and fry them on medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Take them out as soon as you see them developing a golden color. I sometimes fry the eggs like this and use them as a garnish over beans or rice or chicken. Lower the heat to low and it's time to add the whole spices. Green cardamoms, cloves and a tiny cinnamon stick. Then chopped onions go in along with a sprinkle of salt that helps in softening the onions. Now guys, I do not like to brown the onions too much for this recipe. Fry them until they look pale and soft. Then comes the aromatics, a teaspoon each of finely grated garlic and ginger. Fry the ginger and garlic for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. Once you get that fried smell of ginger and garlic, it's yogurt time. So heat off or take your pan off heat if using an electric stove. A splash of water to bring down the temperature of the pan and then add the yogurt. And please keep this in mind, my friend, without wasting any time, immediately start stirring the yogurt and switch your stove back on very low heat. You cannot let go of your spoon now or else the yogurt will curdle. Keep stirring continuously on low heat till you start seeing the bubbles along the sides. A word of advice here, do not run to attend a phone call at this time. The phone can wait, but the yogurt can't because if the milk solids separate, even the world's best blenders cannot make it smooth and your gravy will look like scrambled eggs swimming in water, and we are not aiming for that today. As soon as you see those bubbles, you can raise the heat of your stove to medium. I like adding little tomato paste at this time, but it is optional. You can even use little tomato ketchup or 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. Keep stirring till you see the oil coming out from the sides. Next comes some sugar to balance the flavors. Okay, as you can see, everything looks well fried, so it's time to add water. I added about little less than a cup of water to my yogurt bowl to scrape out all that yogurt spice goodness. Salt goes in. Now cover the pot on medium-low heat for 5 minutes. 5 minutes done, lift off. Garam masala goes in to perfume the dish. And now it's time for the eggs to dive into that gravy goodness. I also like adding a tiny pinch of kasuri methi, that is dried fenugreek leaves, but add very less and crush it before adding to release its flavor. Do a taste test and adjust the seasonings. I felt it needs a little more of salt. Cover it on low heat for about 5 to 6 minutes and let all that gravy goodness seep into the eggs. After 6 minutes, you have this super delicious egg curry that you will be really very proud of. I did add some chopped cilantro as usual because Bumbi finds it very difficult to sign off a dish without her beloved coriander leaves showing up on the screen. And guys, please do not forget to hit that like button before you jump to the next video. It helps me out a lot. Thank you and bye bye.